got to stand up and watch him look at the scoreboard. He wants to know how many feet he went, right? Come on, Kurt. Come on, son. Wheel fucking sideways over there. You see that? He's not gonna be very good. Very easy to get home if he don't get that fucking thing out of the hole, is he? Oh boy. Why? Nobody else ain't had